Hey everyone, welcome back to Innovate with me. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications on our latest tech videos. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of artificial intelligence with a focus on the trending AI tools that are making waves in 2024. Let's get started. Artificial intelligence continues to revolutionize the way we live and work, and 2024 has seen the rise of several powerful AI tools. These tools are designed to enhance productivity, creativity, and everyday tasks. Let's explore some of the top trending AI tools and how you can use them. First up, we have ChatGPT by OpenAI. This conversational AI model is designed to assist with a variety of tasks through natural language processing. ChatGPT can help you draft emails, create content, brainstorm ideas, and even provide tutoring on complex topics. Its ability to understand and generate human-like text makes it a versatile tool for. Next, let's talk about Google Gemini. This AI tool focuses on enhancing search and information retrieval. Google Gemini integrates advanced AI to provide more accurate and context-aware search results. It's particularly useful for researchers, students, and professionals who need reliable information quickly. By understanding the context of your queries better than ever before, Gemini helps you find what you're looking for with minimal effort. Another exciting AI tool is Microsoft CoPilot. This AI assistant is embedded within Microsoft's suite of applications. CoPilot helps you generate text in Word, create complex formulas in Excel, and even automate repetitive tasks in PowerPoint. Its integration with Microsoft's ecosystem makes it a powerful productivity booster for anyone who relies on these tools for work or study. For creatives, Adobe Firefly is a game changer. This AI tool is designed to enhance your creative workflows. Adobe Firefly uses AI to help you generate and edit images, create animations, and even design graphics with ease. It's particularly useful for designers, marketers, and content creators who want to streamline their creative process and produce high-quality visuals quickly. Finally, let's look at Notion AI, a tool that brings AI-powered productivity to your fingertips. Notion AI helps you organize your notes, manage projects, and collaborate with others by automating tasks and generating content. Whether you're brainstorming ideas, planning a project, or writing reports, Notion AI makes the process smoother and more efficient. So there you have it. Some of the top trending AI tools for 2024 that can significantly enhance your daily life and work. From ChatGPT's versatile text generation to Google Gemini's advanced search capabilities, these tools are here to make your tasks easier and more efficient. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know in the comments which AI tool you're excited to try out. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.